guys, welcome back, and today I will show you how to get the secret keycard and get the password. So all you have to do is go to the police station, and then I will show you where it is. But you have to be super tiny to do this. Like you can be size in 0.6, no matter if you fit in there. So now all you have to do is go through this vent, and here is a secret door. All you have to do is check so you can find it. If you are here, okay, I will put my laptop for light. Here you can see there is a black place. You want to go through here, like from here to here, like that. And now all you have to do is fit in here, and then help a little bit. Okay, so this is how you get stuck when you're not like, I guess I'll not be stuck. Now all you have to do is the heart. Yeah, that's how to get out of that glitch. And then go back to the vent, like the exiting vent. And then now all you have to do is get a vehicle. So use anything right here. I will use this car. Now all you have to do is change your size or something. If you want, you can change your size. Now all I have to do is do that. Yes, now my car is sprinting, and I like my car sprinting. Whoa, that was a perfect one. Okay, now you go in here, you find a building. Now all you have to do, I'm going to change my size, and now use the key card, and here is my friend. Hi. So now all you have to do is click in this place, and then your password is, the password is your username. My username is AILanel, so I will now press enter. It said password improved. Now all you can do is change this.